Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. The truck sounds awesome. Steering wheel's nice and straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Hitting the brakes here, they feel good. They're not mushy or anything like that. So far, it shifts really nice. There are a couple rattles somewhere in the back, not in the cabin, and it could be the license plate or something. It shifts really nice. I don't really have any complaints with this truck. It drives great, sounds good. And this interior is awesome. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel. A couple scuffs here and there, otherwise in good condition. Looking at the paint, you're gonna see the scratches where the old flare used to be. Got a rock chip here. You can see the old sticky tape, and then you can see where the trim was that went down the side as well, kind of etched into the paint. Overall, that mirror looks good. A-pillar looks nice. Couple scuffs here and there. You can see where they painted around the door handle, and you have some overspray. You have some gashes all down the side here. Little rock chips and scuffs every once in a while. You're going to see the scratches on the flare there where it used to be. Overall, that wheel looks good. Looking in the bed, got the rubber mat. Overall, looks good in there. Here on the front end, you can see those lights right there on the bottom side are very yellow. Got a large chip here, a couple small ones here and there. You have some staining in the paint. It doesn't have a super high gloss to it. It's a little flat now with probably some sun fading and damage. You can see that chrome is kind of rippling in there. That marker light looks good. Got your typical gashes here. Got the hole here and there. Little gashes. This is yellowed. Those lights look pretty good. Got a chip right here. And then on the edge of the hood, I see a ding there and a small one over there. And then looking at the engine bay, The liner does have some stains. Here on the driver's side, looking at the fender, same thing, you're gonna have the wear around the edge where the flares were. You got a larger chip here. A couple scuffs here and there, a little one there.
Oh, yeah. I just got to rearranging all this.
All of that. You can see the old trim there. You can see where they painted around here. Little scuffs and scratches. Got some chips on the edge. Got a little scratch there. A couple little scuffs here and there. A few chips. You do have some stains right there on the paint. You got a lot of chips down here. There's also some cracking right there. And then looking at this wheel, you do have some rust on the edges and little scratches. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it looks really cool in here. I love all this wood. Little scuffs here and there. Those buttons are in great condition. That wood is really nice. Carpet looks good. You have a few scuffs here. That floor mat looks nice. These seats look really good. The steering wheel definitely has seen better days. It's kind of wore out in a lot of areas and discolored. Overall, that looks good. You got the wood grain going all the way across. Those look good. Little scuffs and wear here. That seat's in great condition. Upper side of the dash looks good. Here on the tailgate, a couple scuffs and scratches here, but otherwise that looks good. Got a scratch right there. A little bit of wear on the handle area. A couple more little scuffs. A few spots there. Oh, a scratch there. That taillight looks nice. Looking at the bumper. Overall, it's in great condition. Here on the passenger side, you can see the cracks here on that weather stripping. That wood looks good. Little stains there of some sort, a little scratch. Otherwise, that panel looks really nice. Floor mat looks good. Looking at the seats. You can see it's kind of separating a little bit right there on that stitching. Otherwise, they look good. Here on this side of the dash, got the wood grain all the way down. That looks nice. Upper side of the dash looks good. This interior is really, really clean.